Have you ever wondered how to make money online? It might seem like a daunting task, but it's easier than you think. In this video, we are going to break down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Firstly, discover what skills you have that could be valuable online. Are you a whiz at graphic design? Do you have a knack for writing? These are skills that people are willing to pay for online. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to market them. There are numerous platforms where you can offer your services. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are just a few examples. Next, create a compelling profile. This is your chance to sell yourself. Highlight your skills, experience, and what you can offer potential clients. Remember to keep it professional and engaging. Now that you have your profile set up, it's time to start bidding on jobs. This might seem intimidating at first, but remember, everyone started somewhere. Be patient and persistent. The more jobs you apply for, the better your chances are of landing one. Once you've landed a job, it's crucial to deliver high-quality work. This will help you build a positive reputation, leading to more work in the future. Finally, don't forget about the importance of networking. Connect with other professionals in your field. They can offer advice, job leads, and support. So, to recap, identify your skills, market them on appropriate platforms, create a compelling profile, bid on jobs, deliver high-quality work, and network. Follow these steps, and you will be on your way to making money online. Remember, the journey to making money online is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and perseverance. But with determination and the right approach, you can turn your skills into a profitable online business. So why not start today? Discover your skills, create your profile, and take that first step towards making money online. And who knows? This could be the start of an exciting new chapter in your career. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. Stay tuned for more informative and engaging content. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving forward.